Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Parrot Puzzler here on ABC Radio. Um, this is your fantastic pub quiz to get you ready for the day every Sunday morning. It's 20 questions. We do this every week. It's good fun. You can also find me on YouTube. If you search for the Parrot Puzzler on YouTube, you'll find dozens of videos. I upload a brand new quiz every Sunday evening. And also, this one midweek is uploaded as well, so you can play along, get double the points. Happy days. But let's jump into today's quiz. Let's see how well you do on this Halloween Eve. Question 1. In what year did The Simpsons first air on our TVs? Question 2. Who was the Prime Minister before Margaret Thatcher? Question 3. What are Americans referring to when they say saran wrap? Question 4. Who is the Greek god of love? Question 5. In the film Castaway, what is Wilson? Question 6. Ant and Dec advertise which high street bank? Question 7. Who is the author of the kids' book The Famous Five? Question 8. In snooker, how much is the blue ball worth? Question 9. What do optometrists specialize in? Question 10. Which is the sixth planet from the Sun? Question 11. How many sides does a £1 coin have? Question 12. What is the first chapter of the Bible called? Question 13. What is the only hexagonal road sign? Question 14. In which US state would you find the Grand Canyon? Question 15. Which artist is behind the painting The Starry Night? Question 16. What country is the kiwi native to? Question 17. In US currency, how many cents in a dime? Question 18. What was ABBA's first UK number one? Question 19. Who was the first presenter of Gardener's World? And question 20. What colour is the cross on the Swedish flag? That's your lot, guys. That's your 20 questions on this week's Parrot Puzzler here on ABC Radio. Let's go through the answers and see how well you've done. Question 1. In what year did The Simpsons first appear on our TV? It was 1989. Long time ago. Still going. Predicting the future, amazingly. Question 2. Who was Prime Minister before Margaret Thatcher? It was James Callaghan. I think it's fair to say we had a bit of stability there. Question 3. What are Americans referring to when they say saran wrap? It's cling film. Question 4. Who is the Greek god of love? It's Eros. If you put Cupid, that is the Roman god of love. Eros is the Greek god of love. Question 5. In the film Castaway, what is Wilson? So Wilson is a basketball that Tom Hanks's character sort of befriended, I guess, in the film. It's a good film. Go watch it if you haven't. Question 6. Ant and Dec advertise which high street bank? It is Santander. Question 7. Who is the author of the kids' book, The Famous Five? It's Enid Blyton. Question 8. In snooker, how much is the blue ball worth? It's worth 5 points. Question 9. What do optometrists specialise in? eyes. They are the people that give you eye tests. Question 10. Which is the sixth planet from the sun? That is Saturn. Question 11. How many sides does a £1 coin have? It has 12. And I kind of gave the answer away because the next question is question 12. I do apologize if you can hear my chef in the background sneezing away. Yeah. Question 12. What is the first chapter in the Bible? It's Genesis. Question 13. What is the only hexagonal road sign? It's a stop sign. Question 14. In which US state would you find the Grand Canyon? That is in Arizona. Question 15. Which artist is behind the painting The Starry Night? It's Vincent van Gogh. And I have this as a Lego set. I haven't built it yet. I must build it, but it looks amazing. Question 16. What country is the kiwi native to? It's actually native to China. Some of you may have put New Zealand, but I think that just comes from the bird. Yeah. Question 17. In US currency, how many cents in a dime? There are 10. Question 18. What was ABBA's first UK number one? It was Waterloo. Question 19. Who was the first presenter of Gardener's World? It was Percy Frower. And question 20. What colour is the cross on the Swedish flag? The cross is yellow and the background is blue. That's your 20 questions, guys. I'm going to leave you and love you. Thank you very much for listening. I'll be back here next Sunday with another Parrot Puzzler on ABC Radio. Or you can tune into YouTube tonight to find a brand new quiz right there. Have a good week, guys. I'll catch you later. Goodbye.